Most people think success is business, finance, or marketing require perfection. They try to hide their flaws, thinking those weaknesses are liabilities. But what if the exact things you're ashamed of are the traits that can make you rich, respected, and unstoppable if you learn to use them right way? Let's start with being overly analytical. In business, this is gold, while others rush decision. Your ability to overthink means you spot risk, optimize strategies, and fine-tune details others ignore. It's not indecision; it's strategic depth. If you've ever been told you're too impatient, realize that impatience drives execution. In finance, entrepreneurship, waiting too long can kill opportunities. Your urgency makes you take action when others stall. Use it to push projects, close deals, and move money faster. What about being stubborn? In marketing, conviction is everything. If you truly believe in your offer, your brand, or your vision, that so called stubbornness becomes consistency, and consistency builds trust and authority. Maybe you're insecure, good insecurity fuels growth. If makes consistently improve your skill set, learn faster and stay humble enough to adapt. The most dangerous people in business are ones who think they already know everything. Let's talk about fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of going broke. These are not weakness, they are motivators. Fear keeps you alert. It makes you plan ahead, manage risk, and stay sharp. Fear is why investors diversify and why smart marketers test before scaling. If you procrastinate, don't panic. Some of the best ideas come under pressure. Procrastination, when understood, can be a tool for rapid execution. Many successful launches and business decisions are made during crunch time when focus is at its peak. Being too quiet is another one. People underestimate quiet professionals. But in finance and marketing, listening is more powerful than speaking. You learn more, negotiate better, and understand the market on a deeper level. Quiet minds make loud moves. If you have been called too much emotional, understand the motion drives behavior. In marketing, tapping into emotion is how you sell. Empathy helps you connect with your audience, craft better offers, and build loyal customer bases. Being skeptical is also a plus while others chase hype. Your doubt makes you analyze deeper. The skepticism protects your capital, refines your strategy, and helps you spot red flags others miss. Maybe you're disorganized, but some of the most creative marketers and business minds thrive in control shows. Innovation doesn't always come from a neat task. It comes from action, experiments, and messy breakthroughs. Having a strong ego, that's not always bad. Ego gives you presence. In business, confidence attracts investors, close deals, and command rooms. The key is checking it when need is used for ego to lead, not to dominate, and finally being competitive. If you hate losing, you will find ways to win. That's fire. Use it. In business, competition is not a flaw, it's a fuel. Stop trying to flawless. The real game is learning how to monetize your flaws in business and life. That doesn't come from perfection, it comes from leverage.